Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Khurshid. Welcome to you all in activity room. The purpose of this activity is to engage the students in constructive learning. The topic of this activity is C programming language. Two different functions, printf function and scanf function, also described here. Printf function and flowchart will be described by Zain Amir and scanf function will be described by Taha Liaquat. I welcome to Mr. Zain Amir to discuss printf function and flowchart.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zain Amir and I am from class 10th Urdu. Today's our topic is C programming language. The programming language has keywords and the standard library forms in input and output operators. C programming language has printf and scanf function. Today I will tell you about printf function. A printf function is a built-in function in C programming language that is used to give output to the user on the screen. As its name comes from the word print formatted, which meaning is formatted data is displayed on the screen. Now I will tell you about some example that tell you about the printf function and make it easier to understand the printf. It starts with the hash includes .h, which is the header start of the header section of the programming language. Then write void main, which is the point of execution of the C programming language. Then these curly brackets are the indicator of the body section of the C programming language. The statement printf and the hello word is the actual statement which is under the inverted commas. Every statement will be ended with a terminator. Now the compiler will run and give us the output hello world. Now I will go to our next topic, flowchart. A flowchart is a pictorial way of representation of an algorithm. To understand flowchart easily, I will tell you about a flowchart area of a circle. It will start with a terminal symbol start, then it will go to the input. The input is getted from the user, which give us as radius. Then the flow lines indicate us the flow steps of the flowchart. Then we will go to the process symbol, in which the formula of area of a circle is given, in which we put the value of pi and r. Pi is the constant which value is 3.147, and we will get 3.147 multiplied by r and again by r. Then it will execute and give us the output actual area of a circle. It will end with the terminal symbol and we will get our answer.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Taha from class 10. I will discuss about the scanf function. There are many statements in C programming language, but I will discuss about the scanf function. Scanf function is a built-in function in C programming language that takes input from the user. We specify the expected data input from the user in scanf function with the help of the format specifier. Now I will discuss about the syntax of the scanf function. First we use hashtag include studio.h, which is the header section of the program in C language. And next step is the void main section, which is the starting point of the execution of the program. Next step is the curly braces, which indicates the body of the program. Next step, there are many statements in the body section which end with the statement terminator. We indicate character data type, grade, and end with the statement terminator. In scanf function, we use the format specifier. In C programming language, we have different data type, and we use different format specifier for each data type. For example, for integer data type, we use %d and %i, and for a float data type, we use %f. And for character data type we use %c. We use %c because we use character data type grade and end with this with the statement terminator, and we execute the program.